Masters Vessel Classical Academy, Primary Section. On the roll.
Good morning, the purpose of the Masters Vessel Classical Academy. The subject we have now is agriculture. My name is Mrs. Odinamadu Felicia. We are going to teach agriculture for Basic 3. And the topic for today's lesson is uses of local fruit crops. Uses of local fruit crops. Objectives of the lesson. Our objectives will be to 1. Define fruits. 2. Set the uses of fruits. 3. Name the vitamins contained in fruits. 4. Give examples of drinks we can produce with fruits. 5. Mention 2 minerals we can get from fruits. 6. Write 1 function of discarded fruits and remnants of fruit peels. And then you state the uses of local fruit crops. To achieve the objectives, we have to go through 3 processes. In order to achieve our objectives, we must go through 3 processes. 1. Recap on fruits definition. 2. Recap on fruit crops. 3. Uses of local fruit crops. Recap on fruit definition. In our last lesson, I taught you that fruits are seed-bearing parts of the plants, often edible, colorful, and fragrant, produced from a floral ovary. Any sweet edible part of a plant that resembles seed-bearing plant, even if it does not develop from a floral ovary, it is called fruits. Then recap on fruit crops. In the previous lessons, you discovered that fruit crops are those crops that produce fruits from their flowers. Fruit crops are those crops that produce fruits from their flowers. You also discovered that some fruits contain only 1 seed. For instance, we have it in mango, avocado pear, while others, they have many seeds. For example, we have guava, watermelon, cucumber, and so on. We also identify the annual and perennial fruit crops. And I told you that annual fruit crops, that they live for 1 year or season, while perennial fruit crops live for more than 2 years. You identified the examples of annual and perennial fruit crops. Like, we have annual fruit crops, for example, tomato, pepper, melon, etc. We also have perennial fruit crops. For example, we have it in mango, pawpaw, orange, banana, guava, etc. In addition, you identified fruit crops that can be planted or produced within our local environment. We have something like orange, oil palm tree, banana, and so on. Now let's delve into the lesson proper. Remember, I told you that the topic for today is uses of local fruit crops. Fruit crops are useful in many ways. Some of them include the following. Now let's talk about the uses. Number one, fruits are used to produce drinks. Fruits are used to produce drinks. For instance, we use it to make our juice and wine in our different industries. Then number two, fruits are a good source of income to the farmers when they are sold. If you harvest your fruits from the farm, you go and sell it in the market. If after selling your fruit, you will make a lot of income from your fruit. So farmers, they don't play with their fruits. Number three, fruits provide fiber for a healthy digestive system and carbohydrates that the body needs to make energy. Fruits provide fiber for a healthy digestive system and carbohydrates that the body needs to make energy. If you eat fruits that are enriched with fiber, it will also help to aid digestion. Before you know it, after taking enough fruits, maybe at night, after taking your dinner, and you take enough fruits, in the morning you will see that it will aid bowel movement. Before you know it, you will go inside the toilet and you defecate with ease, without stress. Number four, fruits are good sources of nourishing substances, vitamins that keep us alive and healthy. We get vitamins from the fruits we take every day. These fruits contain many vitamins, especially vitamin A, B, and C. You can see vitamin A is in fruits, vitamin B is in fruits, even vitamin C. Then fruits aid digestion in man and farm animals. I have explained that before when I was talking about fiber, getting enough fiber from fruits. Yes, if you take enough fruits, your bowel movement will you will not have stress. It will help you and remove all forms of anything at all that will cause constipation. The fruit will help you and help the bowel to move so easily. Before you know it, you will go inside the toilet and defecate without stress. Some people, if they want to defecate, they find it difficult. Some of them, they will be crying in the name of because they are defecating. But if you take enough fruits, you will see that it will help you. It will help and digest all the food that you ate. And there will be bowel movement. Then number 6, fruits are sources of minerals. Yes, we get minerals from the fruits we take every day. For examples of these minerals include, we have calcium, iron, phosphorus. We get all of them from the fruits we take every day. And I want to tell you that your body, even as a human being, even the farm animals, they need these minerals for their body to function adequately and properly. Without these minerals in your body, calcium, iron, and the phosphorus, your body will not function very well. Then another uses of fruits is that discarded fruit, remnants of fruits, their peels and seeds are used in feeding farm animals. Discarded fruits, remnants of fruits, their peels, if you remove their peels, You can dry them up. Even some of them, you can use it to feed the farm animals even when they are like that, without drying it. So they are very, very important. So far, we have discovered the uses of local fruit crops. Fruits are used to produce drinks. I gave you examples, something like juice, your bobo drink, your zobo drink, even your 5 Alive, and so on, even wine. Then we use them to produce juice and wine in the industries. You can even use the fruits to produce your own juice right there in your house. Then fruits are good sources of nourishing substances. Vitamins that keep us alive. We get vitamins that keep us alive and healthy from the fruits we eat every day. Fruits contain many vitamins, especially vitamin A, B, and C. I've said it before. Then in addition, fruits are sources of minerals. I told you that the minerals we get from fruits include calcium, iron, and phosphorus. Furthermore, discarded fruit, remnants of fruits, their peels and seeds are used in feeding farm animals. Now let's take our assignment. Number 1, what are fruits? What are fruits? 2, state 5 uses of fruits. State 5 uses of fruits. 3, 2 drinks we can produce with fruits are dash and dash. 2 drinks we can produce with fruits are dash and dash. 4, 2 minerals we can get from fruits are dash and dash. 2 minerals we can get from fruits are dash and dash. 5, write 1 function of discarded fruit and remnants of fruit peels. Write 1 function of discarded fruits and remnants of fruit peels. Number 6. Write 5 uses of local fruit crops. Write 5 uses of local fruit crops. In our next lesson, we will talk about vegetable crops. So I want you to pick up your textbook, search for the topic vegetable crops, and read it ahead of the lesson, so that when I will teach it, you will not find it difficult to learn it. And this is where we will wrap it for today's lesson. I want to tell you that COVID-19 is real. Just stay at home, stay safe. I always say it, if you must leave your house, don't forget your face mask. My name remains Mrs. Odinamadu Felicia. See you next time. Bye for now.